Hey everyone, today we're talking about a tool that's in every home and workshop. The screwdriver.
That's right! If you don't have a screwdriver, it's like riding a motorcycle without a helmet. Something's just missing.
In this video, we'll cover everything: the history, types of screwdrivers, how to pick the right one, and tips to avoid ruining your screws.
So stick around till the end.
A screwdriver is a simple tool used to tighten or loosen screws. But just because it's simple doesn't mean you can pick just any screwdriver. Choosing the wrong one is like trying to fix a motorcycle in a hospital. It's just not gonna work.
According to the book One Good Turn, A Natural History of the Screwdriver and the Screw by Witold Rybczynski, screwdrivers have been around since the 15th century in Europe, especially in France and Germany. Initially, they were used for assembling and maintaining firearms like matchlock rifles and pistols. Those tiny screws were crucial for keeping the gun mechanisms working properly. Over time, screwdrivers became essential in construction, engineering, and general repairs. The design also evolved to include different types of screwdriver heads for different screw shapes. Imagine having to do all that manually. People back then must have had some serious forearm strength.
Screwdrivers aren't just flathead and Phillips. There are tons of types. And if you pick the wrong one, you might end up stripping the screw or making your job way harder.
Types of screwdrivers. Flathead, great for straight slotted screws and sometimes for prying things open. But don't do that. Phillips, designed to grip screws better and prevent slipping. Torx, used in electronics and automotive repairs, not just for showing off.
I have a Torx.
Hex or Allen key, common for assembling furniture. If you've ever bought DIY furniture, you've definitely seen these. Tri-wing and security screws, mostly found in gadgets to keep them from being easily opened. So if someone says, "Hey bro, can I borrow a screwdriver?" don't just hand them one, ask which kind they need.
Now let's talk about safety. Using a screwdriver incorrectly can damage screws and make them impossible to remove. Use the right screwdriver for the job. Grip it firmly, no shaky hands. Don't use a screwdriver to open paint cans or poke things. Keep your hands away from the tip while applying pressure.
And most importantly, don't use a screwdriver to scratch your back. That's not what it's made for.
To avoid regret when buying screwdrivers, follow these tips. Check the material. High-quality steel lasts longer. Look at the handle. It should be comfortable and not cause blisters. Get a screwdriver set if you work with various screw type. Go for magnetic tips if you don't want to keep dropping screws into hard-to-reach places.
Or if you don't want to overthink it, just get an Elora screwdriver. Check link in the description.
A lot of people use screwdrivers incorrectly. Don't make these mistakes. Using the wrong screwdriver, it'll wreck your screws. Applying too much pressure, you'll end up with sore hands instead of a fixed screw. Using a damaged screwdriver, it's like running a marathon in broken sandals. Not a good idea.
Taking care of your screwdrivers is important. Don't treat them like your ex, only paying attention when you need them. Clean after use. Rust is the enemy. Store in a dry place. Don't just leave them lying around. Use an organizer so you don't lose them and have to search for them later. Without screwdrivers, the world would be a mess. Imagine if no furniture could be assembled, no cars could be fixed. Screwdrivers are tiny superheroes that don't get enough credit.
If you want high-quality screwdrivers, go with Elora. You won't regret it. Hope this video helps you understand screwdrivers better and choose the right one.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool-related content. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. We'll answer them, unless we fall asleep first.